VacLife is a professional brand that specializes in home and automotive appliances. Serving millions of customers worldwide, they are a 5-star seller on Amazon, and they even have their own brand official website. Okay, I love that this handheld vacuum from VacLife includes 3 separate different attachment heads, so you can use this brush for like your fabric, like your couches, which I'm going to try out here in a second. You can use this one for a more precise vacuum, like in the corners and the crevices, so that's really nice. And then this one is just like your standard. You guys, these are also going to make nice attachments for cleaning out your car. I will definitely be using this for the spring and summertime, doing some at-home car cleaning. This will be really nice for that. You can tell when I turn it on, it's super easy. You just click this up and this LED light comes on. This handheld vacuum is super simple to operate. It is great quality and cost effective. It is even cordless, convenient for both home and car use. It's fast charging and has a long-lasting runtime. This vacuum is low noise and strong suction with an exquisite LED light. It has 3 attachments, fully equipped for all-around